Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear fellows. Hope so that you will be all happy. The lecture which I'm sharing you today is having colossal importance. It is about the usage and difference between should and must, and should have and must have. So we begin our lecture now. So the very first word is should, which is a modal verb. The word should is used for any action, duty, or responsibility. For example, you should wear seat belt while driving a car. So remember this fact that after should we always use first form of the verb. This is the basic rule of should and the grammar as well. The second word is should have. The word should have is used for past and unreal recommendations. It is also used for the things which were ideal in the past but didn't come true in reality or in real life. For example, you should have written the note more efficiently. And remember, after should have, we always use third form of the verb. The very next word is must. This is also a modal verb, and after must, we always use first form of the verb. So see, the word must is used for powerful point of view when a stress is put on some fact. It is also used to express an opinion or for obligation. For example, you must obey your parents. The next word is must have. After must have, we obviously and always use third form of the verb. The word must have is used for past assumptions. These assumptions must not be real. It shows that something was considered absolutely essential. For example, you must have remembered the consequences. I expect that you all have got my lecture with great zest and zeal. Kindly subscribe my channel for more informative and educational videos. So take care of yourself and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.